Hi there. Welcome to Tech Analytic 360. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Is your text-to-speech feature missing or not working on TikTok? Many TikTok app users recently said that TikTok text-to-speech feature is missing, and some say that the feature does not work on TikTok. Well, if you found the same issues on your TikTok apps and can't use the text-to-speech and this feature is not working on TikTok, watch this entire video and learn a quick way to solve it. So, let's get started. To solve these issues, you need to fix your internet first. Now, to solve your problem, you can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the issues for the internet, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for TikTok apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Enable Location. Go back. Scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type TikTok, and quickly check for a new software update for a TikTok application. Now go back to and open the TikTok apps. Enter your login credential. Now check your issues. Now, if you found still have issues, then tap Profile, tap 3-dot, tap Setting and Privacy, scroll down, tap Report a Problem, tap the note icon, tap Create a New Feedback. Now you need to tell them about your situation. If you don't know what to write, then copy my text and report it there. Hi there, TikTok. My text-to-speech feature is not working on my phone. Please help me to recover these issues as fast as possible. Now you need to add a screenshot of your issues. Now tap Report. Now TikTok is going to take 24 hours to review your message. After that, they will fix your problem and you'll be able to solve your video, not uploading issues on your account. After following the process, please comment below if you still have text-to-speech issues on your TikTok account. Thanks for watching.